There's a rhythm that lies hidden inside your body. It's an ancient rhythm, one that your ancestors moved to, breathed to, lived to. But somewhere along the way, we've forgotten it. We've locked it in our hips, buried it under layers of stress, trauma, and societal conditioning. But deep within, that rhythm still exists. It's encoded in your bones, your tissues, your blood. It's the very rhythm of life, the flow of creation itself, and today you're going to rediscover it, not through thinking, not through talking, but through movement, through an ancestral dance ritual that reconnects you to the pulse of the earth, to the pulse of your soul. The hips are the center of your creative power. They are the gateway to your vitality, to your sensuality, to your true potential. But in our modern world, we've been taught to ignore them, to stiffen them, to lock them down. We sit for hours, we stand still, and we silence the natural movement of our bodies. But the hips are not meant to be still. They are meant to move, to swirl, to open. And when you allow them to move in the way they were designed to, something miraculous happens. The energy that's been trapped there for years begins to flow again. This is not just a physical exercise. It's a reclamation of your energy. It's a return to the way your body was always meant to move. And as you move, as you begin to unlock the hidden energy in your hips, you will feel it. A rise in your vibration, a lightness in your body, a sense of freedom you haven't felt in years. So let go of everything you think you know about dance. Let go of the need to be perfect, to get it right. This is not about performing, this is about feeling. It's about returning to the natural rhythm of your body, the rhythm that's been waiting for you to remember. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel how your feet connect to the earth. This is where your dance begins, not in the mind, but in the body. Let your awareness drop down to your hips, to that space where movement wants to happen, but has been restrained. As you begin to move, don't rush it. Let your hips sway gently from side to side, feeling the weight shift with each motion. This is the first step. It's simple, but profound. You don't need to force anything. Just feel the natural sway that comes from within. Let your body lead the way. This isn't about technique. It's about release. As you sway, start to imagine your hips as the center of a vortex of energy that's been dormant, waiting to be activated. Feel the energy building in your lower belly, your pelvis, the very core of your being. With each movement, you are stirring the energy that's been trapped in your body, the energy that's been waiting for this moment. Now increase the movement slightly. Let your hips begin to draw wider circles, first slowly, then faster. It's not about how much movement you make, but how much feeling you allow. Let your hips move with grace, with fluidity, with freedom. As you move, let go of any judgment. This dance is yours. There's no right or wrong. The movement comes from the rhythm within, not from anything outside of you. This is where you reconnect with your body's true language, the language of flow, of energy, of creative expression. You may notice something subtle happening. Maybe it's a tingle in your pelvis, maybe it's a shift in your emotions, perhaps there's a sense of joy or a sudden release of tension. Allow it all. This is the energy of your hips, the hidden energy, beginning to unlock. The more you move, the more you will feel this energy circulating, expanding, growing. The rhythm of your body is starting to resonate with the ancient rhythm of the earth, and as it does, your vibration begins to rise. You're no longer moving out of habit, out of routine. You're moving with purpose, with intention. The dance is awakening something deep inside. You may not understand it with your mind, but your body knows. Trust it. Trust the movement. The hips don't lie. They carry ancient wisdom, ancestral knowledge, the very blueprint of your creative energy. As the rhythm deepens, you begin to feel the ancient energy surging through your body. It's not just in your hips anymore, it's moving through your whole being. The movement, once subtle, is now carrying an intensity, a vibrational force that can't be ignored. It's as if every fiber of your being is awakening to its true power. Feel the way your pelvis rolls and shifts, the way your hips create fluid circles, spirals that connect you to the earth beneath you. The earth, ancient and grounded, is in constant motion, and as you move, you sync with that motion, tapping into a deep primal flow. This is not just a physical movement, it's a spiritual one. The energy that you're releasing through this movement is unlocking your deepest creative power. The dance once forgotten is now remembered. It's the rhythm your ancestors knew, the rhythm that aligned them with the forces of nature, with the seasons, with the very essence of life. This is your birthright, the ability to move in harmony with the flow of the universe, the ability to access your creative energy by simply moving your body. Now let the movement become more free. Let your hips expand outward. Let them spiral, twist, and sway in ways that feel natural to you, without any judgment or expectation. Notice how your body wants to flow. Maybe your chest opens, your arms follow the flow. Allow this energy to move outward from your hips, letting the circle expand into every part of your being. The more you move, the more you tap into this deep well of energy. The more you allow your body to express itself, the more you realize just how much power lies within you. The ancient dance is not about perfection. It's about presence. It's about connecting with the life force that has always been inside of you. This energy is alive, and now it is ready to be released. The more you dance, the more you tap into that energy, and the more you begin to see the world around you shift. You may begin to feel lighter, freer. Your body is no longer bound by tension or fear. It's moving with ease, with grace, with power. And as you move, you are not just releasing energy, you are creating space. Space for new energy to flow in, space for your deepest desires, your dreams, your manifestations. This is the power of your hips. This is the power of the ancestral rhythm within you. You've unlocked something powerful within you, but this is just the beginning. You've tapped into the energy of your hips, the creative force that's been waiting for you to remember, and now it's time to let that energy flow into the rest of your life. If you feel the shift, if you feel lighter, more aligned, more free, this is the time to commit. Revisit these movements. Let them become a part of your daily practice. Every time you return to this dance, you unlock deeper layers, release more, and expand further into the powerful, creative being you were always meant to be. The world around you will begin to reflect the energy you are now embodying. It's time to dance with the universe. Don't just watch, be the movement, feel the shift, let it lift you. Ready to go deeper? Continue moving, continue unlocking, because this is the rhythm of your life, and it's only just beginning. As the energy in your body continues to rise, you begin to feel the shift more deeply. It's not just a physical movement anymore, it's an emotional release, a spiritual awakening. Every sway of your hips, every spiral, every fluid motion is unlocking a layer of your being that has been dormant for far too long. This energy isn't just flowing through your hips, it's moving through your entire body, unlocking memories, emotions, and truths you've kept hidden. With each movement, imagine your hips becoming a gateway, a channel that releases all the stored emotions, the guilt, the shame, the fears that have been locked in this area of your body. As you free your hips, you free your emotional center. You allow yourself to feel the full spectrum of emotions that have been suppressed or ignored. This is the moment where you give yourself permission to release the old patterns, to let go of the past, and to open up to the power of your own body. As you continue moving, feel the way the energy begins to fill your chest, your heart begins to open. The more you move your hips, the more you feel your body expanding, like you're taking up more space. You are no longer constrained, you are no longer shrinking. Your body is reclaiming its true essence, its true form. Now bring your awareness to the sacred energy that resides within your hips. Imagine that this energy is ancient, older than you, older than time itself. It's the energy of creation, of birth, of renewal. This energy is the force that has been passed down from generation to generation, from your ancestors to you. And as you move, you are connecting with this lineage, this power. You are reclaiming what was always yours. With each breath, feel the energy moving up from your hips and into your heart. Feel it moving into your chest, expanding into your ribs, and rising into your throat. This energy is not just about movement, it's about transformation. It's about awakening your body to the deepest, most ancient parts of your soul. Let the energy rise higher and higher. Allow it to fill you with light, with warmth, with confidence. You are becoming whole again. You are coming back to yourself. The more you move, the more you release, the more you are freed. This is your birthright, the freedom to move, the freedom to express, the freedom to create. As the energy continues to rise through your body, you may start to feel a deeper connection to the earth beneath you. The energy in your hips, once restricted and stagnant, is now flowing freely, not only through your body, but also through your connection to the world around you. Your feet are planted firmly in the ground, and with every step, every movement, you are grounding this energy. You are reclaiming your power, not just for yourself, but for everything you touch. Feel the vibration spreading into your legs, up into your torso, your arms, your hands. The movement is no longer isolated to your hips. It's moving through every part of you, filling you with vitality, with life force. This is the essence of your being. This is what it feels like to be fully awake, fully embodied, and fully alive. As you continue this movement, allow your hips to move in ways that feel liberating, natural, and true to you. Let the rhythm of your body become one with the earth. There is no rush, no urgency, only the freedom to be. Allow yourself to let go of any remaining resistance. Whatever is left, the tension, the blocks, the past, let it flow out with every movement. This is your release. This is your liberation. Now with every movement, begin to visualize the energy you've just unlocked expanding outward. Imagine it radiating from your body, spreading out into the world around you. With every breath, see this energy growing. It flows beyond your body, beyond your immediate surroundings. It reaches people, places, opportunities, experiences. You are not just healing yourself, you are healing the world around you. This is the true power of your hips. The energy you release isn't just for you, it affects everyone and everything in your orbit. Your vibrational shift changes the world. Take a moment to feel the shift. Feel how your body is no longer weighed down by the burdens of the past. Feel how your energy has expanded, how your presence has deepened. This is the beauty of ancestral movement. It's not just about the body, it's about connecting with the earth, the universe, and with all the wisdom that has been passed down to you. Now begin to slow your movement down. Let the energy continue to ripple through your body, but with a sense of calm, of groundedness. You've unlocked something profound within you, and now it's time to let it settle. The journey of release isn't just about going fast, it's about going deep, and you've gone deep. As you slow down, feel the energy continuing to pulse through you, not in bursts of intensity, but in a steady, grounded hum. It's as though your entire system is recalibrating, aligning with the frequency of your true self. The rhythm of your hips has shifted the energetic flow in your body, and now that flow is steady, sustainable. It no longer feels chaotic or forced. It feels natural, like the tide coming in and out, always present, always moving, always alive. In this moment, stand still, close your eyes if you haven't already, and take a deep breath. Feel your feet firmly connected to the ground, your pelvis still softly moving with the pulse of your breath. You are aligned, you are centered, you are one with the rhythm of the earth, the rhythm of your ancestors, and the rhythm of your soul. With each inhale, feel your body receiving the energy that you've just unlocked. With each exhale, feel any remaining tension, any residue of old patterns melt away. You are not just releasing trauma from the past. You are stepping into the energy of creation. This is your true essence, unbound, unshackled, free. The energy you've unlocked isn't just a temporary release, it's a permanent shift. The sacral energy is the core of your creative force. Once unlocked, it continues to flow, it continues to guide you. And as you move through life from this place, you'll notice something remarkable. Everything you desire, everything you've wanted to manifest, starts to align with you more easily, not because you're forcing it, but because you've aligned yourself with the very source of creation. Now take a moment to honor this shift. Honor your body, your hips, your pelvis, for carrying this energy, for holding this wisdom. Your ancestors have passed down this dance to you, this ancient movement, and now you are the keeper of it. It is yours to move, to share, to express. The more you move, the more you unlock. The more you unlock, the more you become the full expression of who you were always meant to be. As you open your eyes and return to the world around you, carry this energy with you. Let it flow through every step you take, through every word you speak, through every action you make. This is not just a dance. This is your return to your true self. And every time you dance, you remember, you reconnect, you create. And just like that, your energy has shifted, the weight has lifted, the dance has unlocked the hidden power within you. Keep moving, keep dancing, because this is just the beginning. The rhythm never ends.